Hello and welcome to lesson 20. We are going to add the letter K to the previous 16 letters that we have already learned. Then we will continue building our reading, writing, and spelling skills step by step. K is a consonant. The sound for K is K. When we say the sound for K, we are going to pretend to turn a key inside of a lock, because we know that doing a movement while saying the sound is going to help us to remember the sound even better. But guess what? In lesson 14, we learned that C also says K. So now we have C saying K and K saying K. The question is, how will we know when to use C and when to use K for the sound K? We are going to answer that question by learning the rule for the letter K. But before we dive into the rule for the letter K, I need to introduce the sight word for this lesson, and we need to practice our blending. The sight word for this lesson is the sight word R. A-R-E. R. We are going to learn the rule for K in this lesson. Now, let us practice our blending. Okay. All right, so the first thing we always do is find the vowel. And the vowel in this word is I. It's closed because there is a consonant after it. So the vowel I will say the sound. I, K, K, Kim. That becomes him. Now we have rim, rig, seg. Now the vowel is A and it is still closed, so the sound will be A. S, A, sa, sag. If we remove the consonant after the vowel, this vowel will now be open and it will say its name. A, s, a, say. Okay, let's put this back. We have sag, and now we have j, a, ja, jag, jan, k, a, ka, can. Now the vowel has changed. It will say the sound because it is closed by the consonant N. K, a, ka, kan. A, ka, cop, cob, fob, lob, and lot. Okay, I hope you're doing better with your blending skills. So, let's see, there it is. Now, the rule goes as follows. K is usually used when the letters E, I, or Y is right after the K sound. Okay? So we use K before the letters E, I, or Y. And that's usually. Usually means most of the time, not always. Almost always, but not always. Okay? So now let us practice using the rule. Number 1, we are going to practice by spelling some words. The first word is cab. Cab. I hear K. I'm going to let you fill that in first. K, a, cab. And that's the B. Now, Which letter are we going to put here for the K sound? Is it going to be a C or a K? Let's look at the rule. We use K before the letters E, I, or Y. Here is the K sound. Now the next letter is A. Well, it is not E, I, or Y, so we are just going to use the letter C. K, ab, cab. Let's try another one with number 2. This is a made-up word. The word is kif. Kif. I hear k. It, that's the letter I. Kif, F. Now let's look. C or K? Well, right after the K sound is the letter I. And K goes with E, I, or Y. So you know what? Right here we are going to put the letter K. How do we spell K? How do we spell KIF? K-I-F. KIF. Okay, let's do some more practicing. Numbers 3 and 4. Write the word con. Con. I hear k, a, con, n. That's the N. Which letter is going to go here for the word con? Well, the next letter after the K sound is O. And K goes before the letters E, I, or Y. This is not E, I, or Y, so we are going to put the letter C. How do we spell con? C-O-N. Con. Let's practice another word. The word is cam. Cam is a short way of saying camera. Okay? Cam. I hear k, a, cam, m. Which letter is going to go before the A? K goes with E, I, or Y. So you know what? We are going to use the letter C. How do we spell cam? C-A-M. Cam. We are going to need some more practice. Number 5 and 6. Number 5 and number 6. Number 5, the word is keg. Made up word. Keg. I hear k. E. G. Keg. What are we going to use for the K sound? C or K? Well, after the K sound is the letter I. And K goes with E, I, or Y. So we are going to write K. How do we spell keg? K-I-G. Keg. Number 6. I am just going to write this word out because I didn't teach the letter Y yet. But this is the letter Y. And the word I'm looking for is Kyle. So just look at the letters in the word and tell me what letter are you going to put to represent the K sound. The following letters are Y-L-E. That means the Y is right after the K sound, and we know that K goes with E, I, or Y. So we are going to use K because this letter after the K sound is a Y. And I'm going to put an uppercase K because Kyle is the name of a person. Alright? Now we're going to do sentences. We're going to do 4 sentences. I am going to write them out. And you are going to fill in the 2 words that has the K sound. Number 7. Cal got his kit. Cal got his kit. I hear k. Ow. Cow got. Got. Cow got his. That's a sight word we have. So we should know how to spell his. H-I-S, his. Cow got his kit. It. Kit. Now, which letter are you going to put for the word cow? C or K? Well, the next letter after the K sound is A, so we need to put C. Uppercase C because it's the first word in the sentence and because it's someone's name. Cal got his kit. What about the word kit? The next letter after the K sound is I, so we are going to use K because K is before the letters E, I, or Y. All right? Cal got his kit. Were you able to put the correct letters before I did it? All right, let's try another sentence. Number 8. The sentence is, can Kip get the jam? Can Kip, not Kit, Kip. Can Kip get the jam? Can Kip get the jam? All right, that gives you enough time to start writing. I'm going to start. A, can, Kip. It, can Kip get is one of our sight words, so we should spell it quickly, G-E-T. Can Kip get, the is one of our sight words too, T-H-E, the, and jam, let's sound it out, J-A, jam, M. Can Kip get the jam? This is asking us a question, so we need to put a question mark. Now, what did you put in for the words can and Kip? So, can, this is actually A. So, we have K and then A. So, we are going to use uppercase C, right? Because K goes with E, I, or Y. And after the K sound, we have A. Can Kip. After the K, we have the letter I. So we are going to use the K because K goes with E, I, or Y. Uppercase K because Kip is the name of a person. How did you do? Can Kip get the jam? I hope you were able to write this entire sentence before I did. Okay? Number 9. Kim is on the cot. Kim is on the cot. Okay. You start before I do. The word is Kim. I have K. Kim. Kim is. That's a sight word. Is. Kim is on. O-N is on. Kim is on. The is a sight word. T-H-E. Kim is on the cot. I have cot. Kim is on the cot. This sentence is telling me something, so we need a period at the end. Now, what did you use for the word Kim? C or K? Well, it is K because the letter after the K is I. So we need an uppercase K right here because it is a person's name and because it is the first word in the sentence. Let's go down to the second word in the sentence. Kim is on the cot. Well, K or C. Right after the K is the letter O. So we need to put C because K goes before E, I, or Y. Now, if you are enjoying this lesson and benefiting from it, please like, subscribe, and share these videos so that others can benefit too. Now let's continue with the last sentence to practice using the K or C for the sound K. The sentence is, Rob is the kin of a cop. Now the word kin means a relative, family member. Okay, and cop, we know that is police officer. All right? Rob, uppercase R is the first word in the sentence. Rob is, I-S is, Rob is the, that's a sight word, T-H-E. Rob is the kin. I need more space. Let me go to the second one. Rob is the kin of a. Rob is the kin of a cup. Period. Now, what letter did you use for the word kin? Kin, remember we said is a relative or family member, right? So here we're going to put the letter K because after the K sound is the letter I. And for the second word, cop, did you put C or K? It should be C because after the K sound is the letter O. And we just learned that we use K before the letters E, I, or Y. I hope this lesson helps you to improve your spelling by knowing when to use the letter C and when to use the letter K for the sound K. I will see you in lesson 21. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.